Ever thought about making your work from home more active? Imagine if you could walk while you work. This is where the walking pad under-desk treadmill comes into play, revolutionizing your home office setup. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive deeper. The walking pad under-desk treadmill is not just a piece of exercise equipment, it's a lifestyle changer. Imagine being able to promote physical activity right at your workspace. This treadmill makes that dream a reality. It's designed to keep you moving, improving your cardiovascular health one step at a time. No more excuses about being too busy to work out. Now, you can walk your way to better heart health while answering emails or brainstorming ideas. But the benefits don't stop there. The walking pad under-desk treadmill also boosts productivity. Studies show that physical activity can enhance mental clarity and focus. So while you're burning calories, you're also fueling your brain. Plus, it's a great stress buster, promoting overall mental well-being. The convenience factor is undeniable. Exercise while you work without ever leaving your desk. With the walking pad under-desk treadmill, you can say goodbye to sedentary workdays and hello to a healthier, more active lifestyle. So how exactly does this magic treadmill work under your desk? Well, it's pretty simple. The walking pad under-desk treadmill slides right under your workspace. Whether you're on a call, in a virtual meeting, or even kicking back with your favorite movie, you can keep on moving. It's an easy way to bring a little more activity into your day. The walking pad under-desk treadmill is a perfect blend of convenience, productivity, and health. It's a step up from your regular work-from-home setup. The walking pad under-desk treadmill is more than just a product. It's a healthier lifestyle at your fingertips. Consider enhancing your health and productivity with this ingenious device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. So, why not invest in a walking pad under-desk treadmill today?